Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speaking First English. I'm Daniel, and I'm really happy to be here with you today.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emma. Thank you for joining us. We're glad you're here.
Good morning, Emma. How are you today?
Good morning, Daniel. I'm doing well, thank you. A little tired, but in a good way.
Same here. I stayed up a bit late last night finishing a report for work.
Oh no, that sounds familiar. Was it a long one?
Very long, but at least I learned a few new English words while reading it.
That's a positive way to see it. Learning even when you're tired.
Exactly. Well, before we start working, how about we get some coffee?
Yes, please. I can't really start my day without coffee.
Me neither. Coffee first, work second.
Agreed. Oh, and by the way, happy Monday.
Happy Monday indeed. A new week, a new start.
Yes, and even if it's busy, we can take it one step at a time.
That's a good reminder. So, Emma, what's your plan for today?
First, I'll check my emails, then I'll prepare for our team meeting this afternoon. How about you?
Very similar. I need to reply to a few emails, then review a project document.
Perfect. Why don't we work together and talk about how native speakers use English at work while we do that?
That sounds great. Let's start with emails, since that's something everyone uses. Emails at work. Okay, Daniel, first question. How do you usually start a professional email in English?
I usually write hi and then the person's name. For example, hi, John.
That's very common. Hi, John, or hello, Sarah are both friendly and professional.
What about dear? I see that word a lot in emails too.
Good question. Dear is more formal. You can use it when writing to your manager, a client, or someone you don't know well.
So something like Dear Mr. Smith or Dear Ms. Lee?
Exactly. That's correct.
And what if I don't know the person's name?
You can write Dear Sir or Madam, or to whom it may concern, but those are very formal. If possible, it's always better to find the person's name.
That makes sense. It feels more personal.
Yes, after the greeting, native speakers often add a short, polite sentence.
Like what?
For example, I hope you're doing well, or I hope you're having a good day.
Ah, yes. I've seen that many times.
It's very common. It makes the email sound friendly and natural.
So I could write, Hi, Emma. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to ask about the project.
Perfect. That sounds very natural.
What about ending the email?
At the end, you can write thanks, thank you, kind regards, or best regards.
I usually write thanks.
That's fine for most situations, especially if you know the person. For more formal emails, kind regards is a good choice.
I'll remember that.
Asking politely. Sometimes I worry that my emails sound rude. For example, if I write, send me the file.
Yes, that can sound a bit direct. Native speakers usually soften requests.
How?
Instead of send me the file, you can say, could you please send me the file? Or would you mind sending me the file?
That sounds much nicer.
Exactly. Words like could you please and would you mind make a big difference.
So instead of check this report, I can say, could you please check this report?
Yes, that's perfect English for the workplace.
Great. I'll use that more often. Reading and replying to emails.
Oh, Daniel, it looks like you just received an email.
Yes, I did. It's from our manager.
What does it say?
It says, Team, please review the attached document and share your feedback by the end of the day. Regards, Alex.
That's a clear and professional email.
So how should I reply?
You can say, Hi, Alex. Thank you for sharing the document. I'll review it and send my feedback soon.
Simple and clear.
Exactly. Native speakers often prefer short, clear emails.
Sometimes I worry my emails are too short.
Don't worry, as long as you're polite and clear, short is good.
Editing an email draft. Can you help me check one of my drafts?
Of course.
I wrote, Hi Lisa, send the sales report today. Thanks.
Okay, it's clear, but it's a little too direct.
How can I improve it?
Try this. Hi, Lisa. Could you please send me the sales report today? Thanks a lot.
That sounds much friendlier.
Yes, think of could you please as your magic phrase at work.
I like that. My magic phrase. Coffee break and small talk.
Let's take a short coffee break.
Good idea. Do you take sugar?
Just a little, thank you.
So, Emma, how long have you been working here?
Almost 3 years now. Time really flies.
Wow, you must know everyone.
Almost. The team is very friendly.
That helps a lot, especially when speaking English.
Yes, and remember, you don't need perfect grammar, just be clear and friendly.
That's good advice. Small talk at work.
Small talk is very important at work.
What are some common small talk questions?
People often ask, "How was your weekend?" or "How's your day going?"
I usually just say good.
That's okay. You can also say, "Pretty good," "Not bad," or "Busy but good."
Busy but good. I hear that a lot.
Yes, native speakers use it all the time.
How do I continue the conversation?
You can ask back, for example, "How about you?" Or you can mention your work.
Like, I'm working on the new project today. How about you?
Exactly.
Sometimes I just say hi and walk away because I don't know what else to say.
That's okay too, but adding one small comment helps. For example, "It's cold today, isn't it?"
Weather is always safe.
Yes, everyone talks about the weather.
Practicing small talk. Let's practice. Imagine we meet near the coffee machine.
Okay,
Hi, Emma. How's your morning so far?
pretty good, just answering emails. How about you?
Busy but good.
Perfect, that's very natural.
Polite reminders. Sometimes, if someone doesn't reply to my email,
That happens a lot. You can send a polite reminder.
how?
You can say, "Hi, John, just following up on my previous email. Could you please share an update when you have time?"
That sounds polite, not rude.
Exactly. If it's urgent, you can add the deadline.
Attachments. What should I write when I send an attachment?
You can say, "Please find attached the report," or "I've attached the file for your reference."
I usually write, I send you the file.
That's understandable, but attached sounds more natural in business English.
Got it. Meetings at work.
It looks like we have a meeting soon.
Yes, in about 10 minutes.
Let's quickly talk about meetings.
Good idea. What do people usually say at the start of a meeting?
They often say, "Good morning, everyone," or "Let's get started."
And when it's my turn to speak,
You can say, "I'd like to talk about," or "I have an update on."
simple and clear.
Exactly.
And what if I agree with someone?
You can say, "I agree," or "That's a good point."
And if I disagree?
Be polite. Say, "I see your point, but," or "I understand, but I think."
That sounds respectful. Asking for clarification. Sometimes I don't understand what people say in meetings.
That's normal. You can say, "Sorry, could you repeat that?" Or "Could you please speak a bit slower?"
I usually just nod.
Many people do, but asking is better.
Ending a meeting. What if I need to leave early?
You can say, "Sorry, I have another meeting now," or "I need to leave early for another task."
That sounds professional. Calm ending.
We covered a lot today. Emails, small talk, meetings.
Yes, and it's still morning.
Busy, but good.
Exactly. If you're listening, remember, native speakers don't use difficult English. They use clear, polite, simple English.
If this episode helped you, try using just one phrase today.
And if you enjoyed listening, don't forget to subscribe to Speaking First English.
Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.